right, pretty bright out here. All right, so I'm headed to show you my 2010 Honda Civic 4-door sedan LX. The reason why I'm starting this playlist, I guess, is because I want to learn more about cars, and I'm hoping that you guys in the online community will be able to help me, I guess, modify and teach me about my vehicle and what I can do with it. I've done a few things already, which I'll show you once we get over there, but I want to do some more modifications to it, and that's where I'm kind of looking out to you guys to see if you guys can help me figure out what I can do with it to make it look better and run better. So let me go ahead and show you my whip. All right, there it is over here in the corner. We're right next to the freeway, so hopefully you can hear me all right. Yeah, this is it, my 2010 Honda Civic. You can already see some issues with it, like the clear coat in the paint. I guess I'll start off with telling you what I've done to it already. So first thing I've done is I tinted the windows. I replaced the headlights. I installed these fog lights down here, and I replaced the tail lights with new lights from Car ID. That's pretty much it for the outside. If we look inside, I've bought these WeatherTech floor mats, I guess. I have this like steering cover. I got rid of the original radio, installed this so I can charge my phone and hook up my maps. In the back, I also got the rubber floor mats. I replaced the original lights, so they're like white and they just look better to me. I also replaced the headliner in here. It was sagging in the back. And then lastly, I replaced the visors right up here and also that mirror. So that's pretty much it. That's all I've done. I want to do a lot more. Obviously, the first thing I want to do is fix this paint job. It just looks terrible. I had bought the stuff to go ahead and do that by hand. Hopefully it's not too bad. I would like to get this fixed right here. I don't know how to do that. I bought new wheels and tires, so they'll be here soon. I'll show you right now what they look like. So yeah, hopefully can get those replaced. I would like to fix this. Just doesn't look good to me, and I don't know how to do any of the exhaust stuff, but I would love to learn. I would love to, like, you know, maybe put a, you know, like a spoiler thing in the back, maybe installing like those aftermarket things that connect to the bottom that make it look nice, or, you know, the things that go on the side over there. I think that might look cool. But yeah, if you guys have any suggestions on what I should do, or if you know of any modifications to 2010 Honda Civics, please let me know. As you can see here, like, I was having issues. I had to like glue this and put duct tape over here. But yeah, that's pretty much it. I really look forward to the feedback, and hopefully you guys have some suggestions for me, and maybe we could just make this into like a community build, a community mod on my 2010 Honda Civic. And yeah, so I'll see you guys until next time. Peace.